Welcome. This is how to set up your API wallet and manage it. So when you download and install the app, this is what is going to show up. And open the app. The app open like this. Then you click on App Builder. Don't click anywhere else except this one. Click on this App Builder. When it opens like this, then you type 2. Just click on the keyboard and type 2 and send. It will now tell you to input your email address. Let me input my email address. I've inputted my email address. Now it says I should enter my password, so which I'm going to input it now. Remember your password that I used to open it for you. Then you input your password. So I've inputted my password. Then you can see what it should. Dear data load, open your app manager, click here. Open your app manager, then click here, and then click here to download your app. So when you click here, you'll be logged into your app manager. And when you click here, you will download your app automatically. But no need of clicking this place because you already have the. I've already sent you the link to your website, which all your customers can download your app through there. So don't be clicking here again. You just have to click on this, open your app manager, which I'm going to click on it now. So it's now loading. This is how the dashboard look like, but not main dashboard, the sub dashboard. I think you have seen something like this because I've sent it to you. When you open like this, you click on admin portal. Here you can see admin portal on red. You click on it. Admin portal here on red, not need help, but admin portal. Click on admin portal. Another dashboard, the main dashboard will now show. So this is your main dashboard. You can see everything there. Your resellers, but this one is not valid on empowerment package. Your current customer wallet balance, today's transaction, your commission so far, online users, total transaction in 30 days, total customers, application view, that is total application view since the expiration date. You can see your API wallet balance, like the 100,000 that they credited to you once you create account. You can see your app expiring date. This app will expire on 26th November 2023. So this year, the app was created last year. You can see the expiring date progress is now on 14. So that's how the dashboard look like. Your main dashboard looks like. You can see my balance there. You can click here to go to app manager, which will take you back to that previous place. From come to this place. This is the total view, total application view. So that is app view. So this is total times your customers have viewed your application. And here Here is total customers that you have. When you log on, you see how many customers you have. Here is total transaction in 30 days. Online users, let's assume any of your customer is online, the person will show here. This is your commission so far. So this is your earning from the platform, all the platform, from the platform. That is the money you earn for each transaction, both data, airtime, and cable subscription. So here your transaction for the day will show up, and here you see the total money, total wallet balance of all your customers. So their wallet balance, not the one they have used, but the one currently on the balance. So this insurance package is not available on empowerment program. So now, for you to check all your customers, you click on total customers here. You click on it. It will load. So here you will see all your customers and their balances, all of them. Okay, now for example, you can see this one. This one has a balance of 83 naira, while this one have a balance of 72 naira, and this one has 0. There's no money left on this guy's balance. So you can see them, you see everything about them, the day they created their account, the day they registered, their email address, their phone number, their wallet ID, and their full name. You can see that, and also see last time they used your app. Like this one is last seen is 14 January. This one is last seen 15 January. This one last seen is 15 January, while this one is 8 hours ago. So it's not been long. So you see all of them. This one is 14 January, and so on and so forth. So after that, after you have seen your customers history, you click on this 3 parallel line here. Not the download, but the 3 parallel line. Click on it. So this will show up. You click on main dashboard. This is where you have your main dashboard, the customers list. That now we click app configuration, price and setup, transaction history, debit and log, and then add-on. So let's start from main dashboard. You click on main dashboard. Wow. It will take you to this place. I hope I have explained everything here now. So then you click on that 3 parallel line again from this main dashboard. This same 3 parallel line that I said, if you click this line here, click on it. Then customers list. I've shown you that from this place. You can click it from here, or you can click it here to see your customers, all your customers, and everything about them. So now, the next step is app configuration. I've already did everything for you here, but you can just click on it to make some changes in case. So let's click on app configuration now. This is it. This is what is going to show up. Here is VTU payment setup. Click on it, the first one. Then all this one is automatic. Keep scrolling down. All this one is automatic. So in case there's a package that you don't want to transact on your platform, you can click on this available services, 31 selected. Check up your own, you will see it. Then you click on it. MTN SME is marked. So let's assume I unclick this one now. SME function will be disabled on my app, so there will be no SME. So you can see all the packages is selected. So let's assume you don't want to say Enugu State electricity bill payment. You just click on it like this. It will not show again on your website and application. So after that, you click on OK. So this pop-up message here is in case you wish to send a pop-up message to your users each time they open their app. Let's say something like, "Hi, welcome to so VTU portal. We are here to serve you the best. Stay tuned," and this, that, that. All this kind of pop-up message. I know you understand. Set it. Then here is mega data. This mega data, let's assume someone is buying 25 gig. The person will bought it for 231.99 per gig, plus including your earnings. Your earnings included. If the person is buying 50 gig to buy at 229.9, your setup is included, which means your earning. So the reason why I have to enable this is, let's assume someone bought 50 gig now. It will be 229.9 times 50. And you know you are earning 10 naira per gig. So calculate 10 naira times 50, you will see that you have made a lot of profit. So you need to enable this mega data. You can see add it to your platform, yes or no. Just click on yes. After you have made the changes, remember you started from here, pop-up message in this place. Then select apps. So after the configuration here now, you click on save. You can see changes has been made. So click on that 3 parallel line again, app configuration, VTU service notification, click on it. Same thing with the first one. So since you didn't do any transaction there, you didn't make any changes there, cancel it at the bottom top. Then AIRTIME to cash not available. Customer referral system not available. Seller setup not available. Mega data settings, the same thing. Here you set up the mega data. I've explained that. Go back. Generate coupon code not available for empowerment package. Create chat boot, no need. This create configure boot for your platform is already there. Create empowerment program is already in. You have already created empowerment program. So I think that will be all for this app configuration. Then you click on cancel at the top, click this thing again, and then go to prices and charge setup. Here now we're going to click on this particular one. This is where you set up your, I think this is the main place where statistics, because this is where you input the money you wish to earn on each transaction. So click on prices and so first of all, when you come to this dashboard opens, first of all click here to check our pricing, in order for you to know how much you are going to set up your earnings on. So clicking on it. So you can see they'll be selling MTN SME 1 gig, 2 gig 450, 3 gig 675, 5 gig 1125, and so on and so forth. So since you have seen it now, MTN SME 1 gig is 225 per gig. So you now check how much do I want to earn in per 8 gig. So So you can see I set mine as 4.5, 4.5, 4.5 on all the networks, both MTN, Airtel, Glo, all the whole network is 4.5%, which is 10 naira. Calculate it or check it on your calculator. 4% of 225 is 10 naira. 4.5% of 225 naira is 10 naira. So I earn 10 naira per each transaction, per each data that is being bought in my application or website, both Glo, Airtel, my mobile, all the networks. Then one important thing that I have to check on is, you see this paystack chargeback. This paystack chargeback, on no account will you put it in disabled. Always make sure it is enabled. Do you know what it was? This paystack chargeback is, I know you'll be familiar to making payments online. If you want to make payments via paystack, you'll be charged some token. Sometimes when you make a payment with your card, when you're making payments with your card online, you'll be charged. There will be a chargeback. So if you eventually disable it like this, all the chargebacks via deposit will be deducted from your earnings. Let's assume someone made a deposit of 1,000 naira with his or her bank card, which paystack will charge the person like 20 naira or 30 naira or 50 naira, depending. That 30 naira or 50 naira or even 100 naira will be deducted from your earnings here instead of from the person. So the person now have to pay only 1,000, and the 100 naira will be deducted from your earnings. But if it's enabled like this, the person will pay the whole 1,100 naira. So under the airtime, you can see you put 2%. So all your customers will buy airtime of 100 naira for 98 naira. If they buy the airtime of 1,000 at 980. So when they buy airtime of 100 naira with this 2%, the company is selling at 97. So the customers will have 3% discount. And to you now added 2%, which means on each 100 naira airtime sold, you will earn 100 naira. 1%, I mean. When the person pay 98 naira, you have 1 naira, while Samora will charge 97 naira. So if they buy a card of 1,000 at 980, Samora will take 970 and you will take 10 naira. Same thing with educational pin, you charge 3% of any education pin they get. Let's assume the person register WIC through your app, which is close to 20,000. You will earn 3%. So after that, everything, you click on update. So when you click on update now, update here, you click on it. When you click on it, everything you set up will show. So you now check it. So let's click on update now. You can see it now. Your selling price, SME 2.25 gig. MTN SME 1 gig, 225 naira plus your 4.5%, which is 10 naira. Then now it is now 235. But you know the company is selling 225 plus that your 10 naira is now 235. So 2 gig, 225 times 2 is 450. But due to the add-ons, the 10 naira added there, it will now turn to 235 times 2, which is 470. Same thing applied till 100 gig. You can see it there now. SME 10 gig is 2250 plus your 101 naira, it's now to 350. So let's assume someone bought 5 gig from your 5 gig at once from your app or website. You made a profit of 51 naira there. If someone bought 10 gig, you made a profit of 101 naira. So that is why you need to promote your apps. The earning is somehow small if you don't have a lot of customers, but once you have a lot of customers, the earning will be huge. So let's assume now you have a lot of customers and you're selling close to 50 gig or 100 gig daily. Then you calculate 10 naira times by 100. If you have a customer that will be selling like 1000 gig, or let's assume in a month you manage to sell 20,000 gig in a month, then you calculate 10 naira times by 20,000. That is how it works. After that, you will see all the networks and the percentage that is added. You see it. It is going. It's added by percentage. So it's don't expect to earn the same amount you earn on MTN on Glo, because Glo network is higher in price. So when you made a plan on Glo, you earn higher than MTN. Same thing applies to 9 Mobile. So after that, if you check everything is set up and is corresponding to what you want, then cancel it here. Click the main button again. The next step is transaction history. So under this transaction history, this is where you see every transaction that is going on your dashboard. The API wallet. I want to be explaining it in order not to make this video so long. You can see now it's up to 22 minutes now. It's up to 22 minutes now. So after that, debit log. This debit log is a place where you see all the debits, like all the debit that your customers are buying, like transacting on your dashboard. The debit that are deducting here is what you see under that debit log. Under this debit log now, you will see all the money deducted from here. This thing is always 100,000, but now it's now 68,510 naira. So you will see how it's been deducted throughout. So I take that into all. So after watching this video, you know how to manage your API balance. Thanks.